Hey guys, it's me Dia, and today we're playing with some skincare products. I'm definitely someone that thinks skincare is super important, and I think it all comes down to the lifestyle that you live, the habits that you have, and also the products that you use. I've been testing out these 3 products from Santeva Beauty for the past week, and honestly, I've had the most incredible results. As someone with pretty dry and sensitive skin, I've had to kind of become super picky with the products that I put on my skin, and honestly, I was really blown away by the effectiveness of these products because my skin doesn't like everything. So as we all would, I started things off with just a clean and fresh face. I went in with my own cleanser and my own toner as I typically would on a regular night doing my skincare routine. The first product from Santeva Beauty that I went in with was their Santeva Vitamin C, Hyaluronic Acid, and Glutathione Serum. That's a mouthful. I'm definitely a sucker for a good serum, especially vitamin C. I just love what it does for my skin. It makes it feel super replenished and rejuvenated, and I honestly just feel like a new human being after I put on this serum. And since this serum has such a high potency in vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, it addresses signs of aging, it brightens the skin, it prevents acne, and it even increases hydration, which honestly is everything that I would want. 90% of the ingredients in this are active, whereas for other serums, only 5 to 10% of the ingredients are. You're really getting basically a miracle in a bottle with this little guy. Next, we went in with the Santeva Replenish Retinol Night Cream. Can we just talk about, first of all, how pretty this packaging is? Retinol is particularly helpful for targeting skin cell production and just increasing collagen for the skin. And this Retinol Night Cream is specifically geared to minimize the appearance of discoloration, age spots, blotchy areas, and dark circles. It's formulated with natural moisturizers and plant extracts to give your skin a more luminous appearance. Everything I would want. Overall, I'm obsessed with this night cream. It really does help me feel more hydrated, and I feel better knowing that I'm using something that is helping me fight for long-term results. And then last but not least, we have the Santeva Radiance Skin Brightening Lotion. I love this stuff for everyday use. I use it right at the shower after I've exfoliated and dried off. This is great for just full body. It helps to brighten and just smoothen your skin overall. This stuff is rich with glutathione and kojic acid, and I just think it's a really effective lotion. A lot of the lotions that we can get at like the drugstore and whatnot just don't have those active ingredients. I feel like a lot of times our body care items are kind of just left on the back burner, and we really just kind of prioritize the facial care. But I think it's time for us to step up the body care game by getting something that also has those active ingredients and vitamins and things that are going to keep our full body in check, you know what I mean? I'm going to be leaving a direct link to Santeva Health and Beauty for a limited time in my bio, so you can click that, shop around, and get these exact skincare products or explore the huge variety of other products that they offer on their site. But besides the point, I really want to stress that skincare is so important. It's one of my favorite forms of self-care. I really think that putting on a nice product that makes you feel good, that gives you the best results, is definitely something that plays a role in not only just having nice skin, but also your self-confidence. So that's my little spiel on skincare. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and got some inspiration for some potential products to try out. Bye guys.